Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So first of all I want to give you a quick update. So I have opened another channel where I discuss the trending market news like union budget, income tax, which could affect the overall market, the sectors, the individual stocks, everything. You will find the link in the description section below. The name of the channel is Trendline Talks. So please go and check it out. Now coming to today's topics, RVNL. So RVNL gave a massive rally of around 1600% from 2022 October till July 2024, around 1.5 years. So after that it started consolidating and it has been consolidating for a very long time now, and many people are still waiting, those who missed the railway sector rally, that when RVNL is going to start the next uptrend. So in this video I'm going to focus on the price action and I will give you some quick updates that when it could possibly give a next rally, so that you can prepare your approach for investing in RVNL accordingly. Okay, but before going to that, please remember that this is not at all a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video. With that said, let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome to another video. So this is RVNL in weekly time frame. Okay, so the point that I mentioned, that it gave a massive rally from October 2022 to July 2024. So let's measure it out. Okay, so this is October 2022 and till this point you can see almost 1600% rally. Okay, 637 days. So it's a very big rally, but after that you can see it dropped by a lot, around 42-43%, and it has been going like that for almost 6-7 months, even more. Okay, so the thing is, when it could give another rally, when it could continue its earlier primary uptrend, so we are going to discuss that. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is measure the previous support resistance area, or at least identify it. So one point I can clearly see here, okay, which was acting as a resistance earlier, and now the stock is close to that point. You can see it acted as support here. Okay, this is during the election time. Okay, it gave a big wick here in this weekly candle, and then the stock is currently trending near that area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one trend line here. Okay, although we can consider it as a zone, but I'm drawing a trend line to keep it simple. Okay, and just before that you can see this massive weekly candle of plus 57.61% in 1 week. So almost 60% gain in 1 week it gave. So you can imagine 60% most good mutual funds also do not get in even 2 years. Okay, per year they get maximum 23, 25, 30. Okay, rarely you get anything, maybe a small cap which could give 50-55%. So this gave in 1 week. Okay, that is in 1 year. So you can imagine how strong the trend was. But after that, everything that has a beginning has an end. So the trend ended and then the consolidation phase started, and this is not only just for RVNL, this has happened for all the railway stocks. Okay, you name it, like Titagad Rail Systems, Jupiter Wagons, IRFC, IRCTC, Ircon International, everything. Okay, so the thing is that when to identify, when you can identify the next breakout points, and also I'm going to just give you some hints. You see the stock as of now is still showing weakness, and this is a weekly chart, and you can clearly see most of them are red candles, clearly indicating weakness. Okay, so when is the strength coming into picture? So what we have to identify is again the support resistance point here. So I can see some points here which could actually be resistance points. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw one trend line connecting them. Okay, so if I draw one trend line connecting them, okay, let me draw one red line. Okay, then this is what I get, and you can see last week it tried to break the trend line, but it was sharply rejected at this level, and that is why weekly chart is actually more helpful if you are a positional or even a positional trader or a long term investor, because it gives you a better picture. You can see in daily time frame you might be thinking that yes, it gave a 5-7% gain, from tomorrow onwards it could start a rally, but again when the week closes we get to see that it turns into a wick instead of the body of the candle. So that is important. Okay, so let me show you the picture in daily time frame. Okay, see the picture in daily time frame. So here we saw 3 big green candles. Okay, then obviously it looked promising and people will start thinking that yes, it could give a breakout tomorrow. But what happened next? It gave a big bearish engulfing candle. You can see the red candle completely engulfed the previous green candle, so that's really huge. And let's measure this candle. This is around 9%. And when is this candle showing up? It happened on February 1st, the day the budget was declared. And one of the reason definitely is the fact that nothing related to railway, no specific thing related to railway in the union budget was disclosed by the government. Okay, so because of that, people got disappointed. And the previous day people were expecting that yes, railway budget will definitely bring some good news for the railway sector, and definitely we should buy the stock early so that we will be in a bigger gain. Okay, but as it did not happen, people got disappointed, and definitely there is selling. One of the factor definitely is because of that. There could be multiple factors as well. So you see a big red candle. Okay, and not only that, it did not end there. Today the stock is also falling by 7%. So yeah, on 1st February it was almost 9%. Okay, and today 7%. So almost 16% in 2 days, minus 16%. So that's a big fall. And definitely this indicates that the time for breakout has not yet come. And the line that I have drawn here clearly is a valid one. Why? Because we can see multiple resistance points, and it is actually respecting that level. So we will have to wait for the stock to break this level. So this is indicating 486, but if I move it little bit up to this level, the wick of this candle, it is around 501. So you can consider the 500 level as the threshold, as the resistance. We need a strong break. Okay, remember the keyword strong. Okay, not only a break, weak one, a strong one, a strong big green candle like this with good volume bars. Then only we have to watch for one more day, and then we can consider yes, the breakout actually happened. For now, you just have to keep railway stocks, especially RVNL, in your watch list. Do not make any investment right now. Okay, I'm not talking about any other stocks, because I have observed most of them are showing similarly weak pattern, but I will focus on RVNL, just RVNL in this video. So talking about RVNL, it is not in a good position for buying, so do not invest your money, rather put it in a liquid fund. At least you will get guaranteed 7% return. If you do not have any other place where you can invest your money, other stock or fund, then just put it in liquid fund. That will give you at least positive guaranteed return. Okay, so that was all about RVNL. I hope this short quick video was informative and helpful. So please hit the like button, share this video with other people, and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. Also, you will be able to chat with me directly on Discord. And also, if you have any other query, please put it in the comment box. And reminding again, don't forget to check my new channel, Trendline Talks. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.